welcome back to Shanefx, guys. So we're here with another breakdown video on Eurcad. So we're looking for potential selling opportunities. So we could clearly see that price has been in an uptrend. So we have higher highs and higher lows being created as price channel to the upside. But what I want you guys to pay attention to is the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we see that we had this daily candle close beneath these two previous daily candles. So we had this bearish candle, we had a bullish candle, and now this bearish candle has closed beneath those two previous candles, right? So if we go back on the 15 minutes time frame, so on the 15 minutes time frame, what we want to see is price come back to this area, right? We have our fib level, want to see a 50% retracement back to this level, and from there, once we get some weak rejection into this zone, we can then sell back down to support. So on the 30 minutes time frame, just look a little bit clear, right? So on the 30 minutes time frame, this is how price is looking. We had our high, we had a low, price came back, we had a retest here, we had another retest, price came back again to retest this high, this previous high, and from there price slowly pushed back down into like this support area that we have, right? So what we want to see price do is come back to this support that was previously resistant, give us some form of weak rejection here, and from there we can potentially take sells back to this support. So the trade will look something like this. Just get rid of those. So the trade would look something like this. Right. With a 15 pips stop loss. So this is how the setup would look. So hopefully price come back to this zone, give us some form of weak rejections, and from there we could take some sells. So I'll come back, guys, and update you on how this trade plays out. Yeah, guys, so we're back on the charts. Finally price played out exactly how I called the move. Wanted to see price come back to this area, show some form of rejection. We had 3 rejections right here, so that's a clear sign to show that price is respecting this level. Then from there, price slowly came down. We went back into this range that we had. Price broke beneath the range and gave us that close. I didn't take the trade, guys. I missed the trade. I wasn't actively trading. I was busy today, Friday. We closed, missed the whole entire move out. We had, I think it was 50 something pips. The price played out. Let me just check it. So from our entry, we would have entered the trade, right? Price moved out at least 54 something pips, 54 pips. That's a lot of pips on a Friday. Price don't normally move, so like we don't get this high volatility on a Friday for price to move so much pips. We normally get maybe 20-30 pips or somewhere around there. But price played out exactly how I call the move. The last time was on the charts. Price was currently trading right here. Then price went down. We went into this range, and from there, price just started to move slow. We got some news for Friday, and when news came out, we had this wick down. I checked my phone and I saw price wick down right here. And after we got the wick down, price then went back up. We came back down, then we went back up. So I'm gonna go on the lower time frame and show you guys exactly what happened. So on the 15 minutes time frame, you guys, let me go on the 5 minutes. So you guys could see price wick down. We went back up, came down, went up, down. So price was just consolidating and moving crazy today when news came out. And when I saw that, I just came back off the charts. I didn't check it after that. Is when I got home now, I realized price went up exactly into the zone that I had. Same setup, guys. 15 pips stop loss with our target down at our next support area for 87 pips. And I say once price could come to this support and break this support, potentially we could hold the trade down to this level. But we missed the trade, unfortunately. The daily close wick to the upside. We did manage to close beneath the previous daily candle, so that's a good sign that price want to come back down to the support. But what we're going to do is clean the charts, right? So we wouldn't get rid of the resistance level or anything. We're just gonna get rid of this for now. Hide this tool. I did change the Fibonacci level that we had. This fib retracement was right here where price was at, and when I saw price came down here, that's when I pulled it to this area that price wicked into and close. So that's why we have a bigger fib level from the last time we was on the charts. So basically what we're doing now, we want to see a next significant era on the higher time frame that price will potentially come back to, and give us that former weak rejection next week for we to continue to take sells on this trade, because now we're no longer in that bullish run that we had, right? So we had the low, we had highs, low, highs. That momentum that we had, price now came back, price made a lower high, so now we're potentially making lower lows for next week, right? So that's what we are hoping for. So hopefully next week price could maybe push to this support and break the support, give us that retest for more sales, right? So that's what we're looking for, guys. So I don't want to have the video too long, so hopefully next week we could see more sales coming for Eurcad. So yeah, peace out.